Today we're going to show you how to calibrate the compass on an inReach Mini 2 satellite communicator. We recommend occasionally calibrating the compass to make sure that it performs as it should. The first thing we need to do is make sure that we are in an open space. To improve accuracy, do not stand near objects that influence magnetic fields, such as vehicles, buildings, and overhead power lines. With your inReach Mini 2 turned on, press the OK button to open the menu. Scroll down and select Settings. Then scroll down and select System. Scroll down to Compass Calibration and select it. You will see an image on screen demonstrating how to rotate your inReach Mini 2 to get a successful calibration. A calibration successful message will display, and you should hear a tone indicating a successful calibration. If the message isn't received, just complete the process again. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com.